what is going to happen very soon on Curacao?
Well, this week, this Saturday, May 27th, we have the second annual Mr. Caribbean Island Continental Pageant. It is a preliminary pageant to the Mr. Continental Pageant in the United States, and the winner of the pageant will qualify to compete for nationals in the USA in September.
Patrick, je bent de promotor van deze pageant op Curaçao. Waarom is er deze keer voor Curaçao gekozen?
Het wordt eigenlijk, hadden wij met de organisatie in Chicago, was het een competitie tussen Sint Maarten, Aruba en Curaçao. Je weet, ik woon met Ethan op Curaçao en wij vonden dat het thuis hoorde op Curaçao.
Om het echt
hier te halen,
te geven.
ja, en om de warmte van het eiland en de bevolking uit te stralen in Amerika en wereldwijd.
So Khalil, how does this work? How does this male pageant work?
Well, all of the
What is it all about?
Well, this pageant is about class. Most of the times when you think about pageants, you think about just body and beauty. This is a whole approach. We are looking for a whole guy, right? So they're going to be competing in swimwear, talent, formal wear, on-stage question and answer, and group interview. And so we're looking for not just talent, we're looking for the overall approach from guys.
So far, what's your impression of Curaçao?
I love Curaçao.
Is it your first time?
No, I've been coming to Curaçao since so a little background about me, I'm a former Mr. Continental. I won the national pageant in the United States. And so I looked around and every year I noticed we didn't have representation from the Caribbean. I was coming here since I was Mr. Continental in 2013 when I met Patrick. And I realized we need some representation. So I spoke with Patrick and Ethan, and I said we need to change that, and we created this preliminary together. And I love Curaçao, so it's joy for me to be able to let Curaçao be a beacon and a source, so that we can get representation.
Nou Patrick, tot slot wil ik aan jou vragen. De komende dagen vindt deze pageant hier op Curaçao plaats. Kun je ons een idee geven van wat er gaat plaatsvinden de komende 2 dagen?
Ja, morgen vrijdag hebben we de meet and greet bij Saint-Tropez Ocean Club van 6 tot 8. Iedereen is uitgenodigd om daar de kandidaten en de internationale artiesten die zaterdag bij Cascada op zullen treden. En zaterdag zal het event zijn, de deuren open om 6 uur. Het event begint precies om 7 uur, omdat het ook live uitgezonden wordt en ook on livestream te zien is. En het zal afgelopen zijn, of de winnaar zal bekendgemaakt worden tussen 10:30 en 11 uur zaterdagavond.
En de dames die op de foto willen met de heren?
Kunnen het beste dan komen naar Saint-Tropez Ocean Club, want daar is de meet and greet en daar kunnen we dat regelen. En anders na afloop.
Boa noite, Turende. Meu nome é Marvin. Good night, everyone. My name is Marvin Halden. I'm from Suriname. And I am the first and ever Mr. Caribbean Island Continental winner. And it's been an amazing journey for me, all the way from Suriname, being in Curaçao, the amazing country.
And you are?
I am Savan Sinatra Sanchez, all the way from the United States, Atlanta, Georgia. I am the reigning Mr. Continental 2023.
So Marvin, you've been the Caribbean title holder. So why is it that you're the 2019 title holder so far?
Okay, I won the pageant in 2019, but due to COVID, I couldn't travel to hand over I couldn't hand over the trophy to the new winner. So that's the reason I have been the winner for almost 4 years. And now it's time to hand over the trophy to the new winner.
You spoke a very good Papiamento there. Have you been here before?
Yes, I come regularly to Curaçao. That's why I say Curaçao is my second home. I have family here, friends here, so they teach me the language.
And Savan, being here on Curaçao, is this your first time on the island?
This is my first time on the island, and I am completely in awe.
How does it feel that there's going to be a next title holder? What has it meant for you so far?
Being that it has come back from 2019, I think that it is amazing because as Mr. Continental continues to expand, it allows for other gentlemen like myself to have the same experience that I have, to be able to tour globally and to be able to make an impact on communities around the world. And to have it come back to Curacao is such an amazing feeling.
What is it like to be, for lack of a better word, Mr. Universe? What is it like to be? What does a Mr. Universe do opposite to women or comparable to women?
Comparable. So being Mr. Continental, it has allowed me to have an impact and stand tall within the community, to be a motivator, to be someone who is inspirational, and someone who has the opportunity to connect and reach the masses and let them know, hey, you can do anything that you want to do, you can go anywhere that you want to go, and it is pertinent to leave your mark with everyone that you engage and everywhere that you step your foot.
Why is a male pageant as important as a female pageant?
Okay. Een mannelijke verkiezing, let's say in Dutch, I'm going to do that in Dutch, is actually the same. And bij vrouwen is het anders. They have the swimwear, they have the formal wear, they have the question and answer. But mannen zijn ook nodig in deze wereld. Mannen moeten ook rolmodellen zijn. Mannen moeten ook aangeven hoe het anders kan. En daarom is een mannelijke verkiezing ook belangrijk als een vrouwelijke verkiezing. Natuurlijk heb je de verschillen erbij komen, maar jongens kijken ook op naar rolmodellen. Hoe kan jij als rolmodel, als mister, een voorbeeldfiguur zijn voor de jeugd in het bijzonder, maar ook voor mensen van leeftijdsgenoten die van jou kunnen leren. En we moeten ook gaan kijken niet alleen maar naar het beeld dat we zien op tv, via de social media, maar ook de persoon die namelijk deze verkiezing vertegenwoordigt en die ambassadeur is. Want jij gaat eigenlijk jezelf presenteren aan de wereld, behalve dat je land representeert.
So if I may ask you a final question.
Absolutely.
I leave the camera free for you to send an invitation to the public to attend to this pageant.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Well, again, I am Savan Sinatra Sanchez, Mr. Continental 2023, and we would love to welcome you here to Element for the second
Edition.
second edition of the Mr. Caribbean Island Continental. Come out, see the amazing, talented, beautiful, and passionate gentlemen who will be competing tonight to become the next Mr. Caribbean Island Continental.
And don't forget to get your tickets. You can go to the website www.caribbeanislandcontinental.com, or you can go to also the outlets in Curaçao to get your tickets or get them at the door.